right, thanks, sweetie.
I don't know, you want to get started?
Yeah, I'm ready if you are.
Oh, sure, I'm ready.
Okay. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Not a BOOZHOO, and over here the lovely and the talented
Aw, get out of here.
Natasha. Ikadom BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to the people.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
And today, you know what I was thinking our Ojibwe word should be?
What's that?
Zaagi'Idiwin, Mashkikii.
Oh, love medicine?
That's right. Zaagi'Idiwin, Mashkikii. Zaagi'Idiwin, love. And then Mashkikii is love medicine. Because, you know, back in the old days there, the elders, the grandfathers would talk about a time. Did you know about this, sweetie?
What's that?
About the love medicine. They used to talk about how you could make a woman fall in love with you if you had this certain this Mashkikii. I think it had something to do with goose eggs. That's what I did with you, honey.
What? Get out of here.
That's right. Look at you now. Anyway, Zaagi'Idiwin, Mashkikii, love medicine. And, you know, boys, if you want to make a woman fall in love with you, you got to learn how to play the guitar. Isn't that right, sweetie?
Uh-huh. Worked for me.
And here's a song by Elvis Presley. I mean, I don't know who wrote it, but Elvis Presley made it famous. And it's called Can't Help Falling in Love. All right, you ready, sweetie?
Whenever you are.
Okay. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things aren't meant to be. Take my hand and take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things aren't meant to be. Take my hand and take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. I can't help falling in love with you. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Igawaba min, Minowa, Hawa. What'd you think of that, sweetie?
Oh, that was really good.
Yeah, me too.